Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide and unhide secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to hide secure folder from your app drawer and from your home screen, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Security and Privacy. And from here, just go to More Security Settings. Then tap on Secure Folder. Now just enter the PIN of your secure folder, then tap on Done. And on this page, you will find the option of Add Secure Folder to App Screen. Now just disable this toggle and select Hide. And once you do that, you will hide secure folder from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now, if you want to unhide the secure folder to access it, then go back to Settings and tap on Secure Folder. Now just enter the PIN of your secure folder and tap on Done. Now just enable Add Secure Folder to App Screen. And once you do that, you will unhide the secure folder on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can hide and unhide secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.